to Tamani Delicacy. So today we are having lamb chops. As you can see, I'm cooking lamb chops, so let me marinate it. Guys, I've marinated my lamb with the salt, black pepper, garam masala, beef spice mix, and then some dry rosemary, some lime, and some olive oil. I'm going to cover for some time, maybe 1 hour, then we're going to start cooking it. So guys, that is how our lamb is. Our lamb chop. It's cooking slowly by slowly, and I cover it. So guys, that's our lamb. That's how it's getting along. You cook it slowly by adding few water while covering and checking it after every maybe 10 minutes. So that's our lamb, guys. It is ready. So guys, our lamb is ready. As you can see, pepper on this pan. So that's our recipe for today. So guys, our lamb is ready. This is our lamb chops is ready. Lamb chops. Hello my lovely people, welcome to Tamani Delicacy. Another day, another recipe. Hope all of you are doing well. I am doing well. So let's get on our video. So today I'm preparing a very delicious and simple recipe. We have our peas here. I'm boiling peas. We have our pan here. As our peas are boiling, I'm going to add olive oil. And then I'm going to add garlic. So guys, my garlics are ready. I'm going to add, sorry they are a bit burnt, tomato. I'm going to add tomato paste. Sorry guys, so I added tomato paste, black pepper, chili flakes, coriander, then some few water. Then I cover. Let's check our tomatoes. Our tomatoes are ready. Our tomatoes are ready, guys. This is a quick recipe. think this is ready. This is ready. Adding my pasta, guys. Pasta. Sorry, my pot is. I've cooked a lot of pasta. This is a lot. That affect a lot of my pot is small. My pasta is ready. My pasta is ready. Guys, I added minced meat that I already cooked before. This is minced meat. So we are going to add our pasta. We need to add our pasta. And then what we are going to do, guys, wait, I place you well so that you can see the food where I'm going to add peas. Huh? Peas. Then I'm going to cover. Let's check our pasta, guys. So guys, our pasta is ready. Please like, subscribe and share, guys.